Hello guys, good morning. Today I will show the balancing valve used to balance the water from chill water supply line to the AHU rooms. Presented in each floors in the building. See, this is advanced balancing valve. 150 mm dia. You can see here. This is 150 mm dia. I will show from the long distance. Okay. See. There is a handle is there. Already. This is the handle. The liquid will flow from chill water. Liquid is nothing but chill water supply. Chill water will flow from here to this. When we rotate this handle, it will open, move upside. Then the water goes by this. Okay, you can see inside also. See, this is a 150 mm dia balancing valve. 150 mm dia balancing valve. I will show you 200 mm also. This is a new chiller, air cooled chiller. Makeup this company Klima Venata, a group of Mitsubishi Electric. See. This is a 200 mm dia balancing valve. Just wait a minute. So, 200 mm. This is it is connected from chill water supply line, from evaporative tank, chill water supply line, flexible bellows. From here to balancing the water, balancing valve is used. After balancing valve, this is a butterfly valve. Then from here it will go to the AHU room located inside the buildings in each floor. Okay, thank you so much guys. Please subscribe our page, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC page. Thank you so much.